Hey guys, my name is Azaria and welcome to my channel. Today I have a massive, not really massive, but a huge SHEIN haul. This is my first time shopping on SHEIN and I got, I think, about 18 items in total and I'm excited to share them with you guys today. This is going to be a try-on haul, so I hope that you enjoy this video and let's get right into it. Okay, I shifted a bit so I could kind of put things here for you guys to see, and I'll also be showing you the bags as well as including a video of me trying on the clothing as well. I spent over 1,000 TT on this website and this was for my birthday, so it was a bit of a splurge, and this is my first time shopping on SHEIN, like I said previously. So I just kind of like picked from different areas. I got some things for work, I got some things for my birthday, but it did not come in time. Thank you, customs. I really appreciate that for not having my clothes that I wanted to wear for my birthday on my birthday, and I got it 2 weeks after. I really appreciate that. You guys are really effective and really efficient. Yeah. In terms of delivery from SHEIN, no complaints there. It shipped to the Skybox earlier than the planned shipping date, so I was happy with that, okay with that. If you shopped on SHEIN before, you know that it comes from China, so the shipping is a bit slower, and they do let you know that when you order the expected date of delivery, but mine came early. It's just customs that messed me up and I'm really not happy about that, but there was really nothing I could do except, you know, wait for my clothes to reach. So enough about customs and their stupidness. Let's get into the items. The first item is this bag. I got this free with the order. It just says SHEIN on the bag and it's a nice orange color. I actually thought it would have been bigger than this, like a full-size tote, but I'm grateful because who doesn't like free stuff, you know? So I'm very grateful. My second item are these biker shorts. I got these in a size 2XL and these are nice spandex material. The color is black. It doesn't look very see-through, which I'm very happy about because I was worried about that being see-through, you know. Me being on the thicker side, I don't really want people seeing my underwear when I put on clothes. So, but the material feels very nice. It's not see-through. It's a nice spandexy material. And this is really nice casual wear that I will be enjoying styling. The next item is this lovely pineapple print blouse. A fun fact about me is that I love pineapples. I got this in a size 1X. This is a really nice light material. It is a bit see-through, so I am going to have to wear something under it. But I just really love the print, the color. I love white clothing, and white and brown always looks good together, so I really enjoyed this print. The next item is this Forest Everest green tank top. I got this in a size XL. Guys, love this top. Love the color, love the fit, everything. Like, this is such a nice casual throw on top. You go out for a nice lunch, you just need to run and do some errands and you want to look a little bit more this is it. Like, I absolutely love this top. I love this top. It's very me and I love it. The next item are these shorts. I'm not sure what you call this print, but I think is it a cow? It's not cow print. I actually don't know what you call this print. If anybody knows what print this is, please let me know in the comments so I can actually know what print it is. I got this in a size 1X. It's very nice and flowy. The material is a bit see-through, but nothing a black underwear can't fix, and it's good to go. The next item is this black bodysuit. Guys, I got this in a size 1X. I love this. This is a nice staple product to have to your collection. The material is a nice spandex material and it has a bit of stretch in it, which is what I like. No complaints here. No complaints here. I like this one. This is like, you just can't go wrong with basics. And I think SHEIN really nails it when it comes to basics. And yeah, like I would be purchasing more of these to come. The next item are these nice khaki colored pants. I got these for work purposes. This is in a size 2XL and this material feels, I don't know, like it feels like work pants, but if you like, I don't want to say cheap quality work pants because it still feels a bit sturdy, but it's not the work pants material I am accustomed with. I like the color. I really enjoy the color, and the pants has no stretch in it, which I was a bit worried about. You can't go wrong with work clothes. Always have an arsenal of work clothes because they come in handy when you have different things to do as well. So yeah, it's a nice basic item to have in your work clothes collection. The next item is this red blouse. This is in a size 1X. I also got this for work. I really love the color. I love the fit of it, the ruffles, everything. It's just everything. I really like this top. The next item is this baby blue, sky blue shirt that I also got for work. I was worried that this would be a little too big for me, but I guess it can go to more of the oversized look and style. This is in a size 1X, and maybe I should have just gotten an XL, but I would rather be safe than sorry and have the clothes fit me and be a bit oversized than not fit me at all. But I really love the color of this. I wanted to add more blue and greens into my wardrobe, which is why I got this, and I really love the color. It's a nice simple light blue and it looks good. This is another work top that I got. This is in a shade of green. I think you would call this sage green. It's in a size 0XL or XL, and I like this. I like the little detailing at the front. The pleats look nice. It's a nice simple basic top for work, but it still has a little jazz to it, which is what I really love. And like I said, I wanted to add more blues and greens into my wardrobe, so this is a nice pick and I really like this one as well. This next item is a lovely daisy print dress. Guys, I love this so much. I really love dresses. Dresses are such a simple item that you can just throw on and go. And I can really see myself just rocking this the mall, lunch, you know, if you have any little errands to run, you need to go to the grocery, you need to, you know, just run about and do stuff. This is it, guys. I love the print. I actually thought the daisies had smiley faces on them, but they don't, which would have been even extra cute. And I think it just matches me. Like, I just love this dress so much. This is in a size 2XL. I could have gotten away with a 1X, but I didn't want the clothes to be extremely fitted on me. So I'm happy that I got the 2XL. This next item is another dress. It's this nice brown and black dress. It has straps. It is in a 2XL. I love the print of this. What print is this? Like, I don't know what print is this or how to describe the print, but I just love this print. I think it's very similar to the pants. It's a bit different, but the same type of style print. And I love, like, I just really like this print. This is a nice dinner dress. You can dress this up, you can dress this down. It's a really nice evening dress and I love it so much. I could have gotten it in a 1XL as well, but the 2X was just a safer bet and it fits. I just love it. I love it. The next item is the last dress that I got, which is this black and white stripe number. This is in a 1XL and I love stripes. Stripes is another pattern that I really love. And this dress, the material is lightweight. It's not heavy, which is very good for our Trinidad climate. So you won't be sweating your off. Like, It's a nice lightweight dress. You can dress this down, dress this up as well. I can see myself going to a nice dinner in this and just enjoying myself and not stressing about things, you know, being too exposed, because it's very forgiving in the front. You have room where, you know, you can eat and be comfortable, and I love that. So I look forward to wearing this dress. I really love it. The stripes win, the material wins, and I just really love this one. Y'all know you can't shop on SHEIN and not get any swimsuits. So I did pick up 2 swimsuits. The first one is this red number. It's a 1-piece. It is in a size 1XL, and I love the color. Like, red always looks good on me. But guys, this looks good. This looks really nice. And I was a little bit confused about how the strap situation was going to work, but you know, your girl had to figure it out. And I really like this. You know, when it comes to swimsuits, it's either a hit or miss with me. Like, I am in between sizes sometimes, and it's either too small or it's too big, or it looks awkward and the style doesn't fit how it's supposed to fit. But this one looks good and I'm happy. The second swimsuit that I got is a 2-piece. It's in this lovely green color. This material actually surprised me. It's a ribbed material, and I didn't expect it to be ribbed, but it's ribbed. And I have no complaints. I love the color. These are the bottoms. I was worried that the bottoms would have been too big for me. I do have some, you know, a little bit more junk in the trunk. So I am hoping that I fill it out and it looks good. I'm not complaining. The green is giving what it's supposed to be giving. So no complaints. This next item is a nice cotton romper. It's a nice peachy nude color, and I love this so much. This is one of the items that I wanted for my birthday weekend, but you know, that situation happened. This is in a size 3XL, and I wish I got it in a smaller size so it would have fits a little bit more snug on me, but I can always do adjustments and take it in. But I love the color, I love the style, the material, nice cottony and nice, and it just looks good. It looks outing, it looks brunch, it looks good. The second romper that I got is this really nice colorful stripe print romper. Guys, I really wanted to wear this one for my birthday. Like, this was supposed to be my birthday outfit, but unfortunately that didn't happen. This is in a size 2X, and I just love the colors. I love the prints. The material is a light material, so it doesn't like feel heavy or sweaty on, and it's just, this romper is winning. It is winning, and I love it. And the last item that I have today is another romper. This blue and leaf print and flowers, and guys, this is one of my favorite items for the entire order. This is in a size 2XL, and everything about it I love. Like, it's a light material, the print is so beautiful and it looks so beautiful on, and I really love this one. I love rompers. I love how rompers look on me, and I'm so happy that I picked up this item. It was actually a last minute decision. I wasn't really planning on getting it, but I'm so glad that I did because it looks so beautiful. Okay guys, so that was the end of the haul. Thank you so much for watching. I enjoyed shopping on SHEIN. The experience was really nice. I feel like I wanted everything on the website, but I tried to get things that I know that I needed in my closet and things that I knew that I would love, and I think I did a good job because I loved all of the things that I got. There's some things that I wish I'd gotten in a smaller size, but now I know, and I definitely use the measurement guides when ordering on this website because you cannot be too sure, especially when ordering clothes online. So I suggest using your measurements while shopping on SHEIN to kind of help you out. But all the items were lovely, they looked good on, and I am pleased with my purchase. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Your support is extremely appreciated. If you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.